Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.